JP. I'm a developer here at Logica, and tonight I want to talk to you about ActiveSupport concerns, modules, and one of my noob moments while developing. So this topic will probably be familiar to most of you here. Okay, ano yun?
No.
Netflix. Extended.
Netflix na.
Bond mo.
Sunod na lang. Movie screening. Actually, merong free videos, movie, and series streaming site sa JP Moral.com.
Yes! Naka-who is guard yun.
Oh, naka-who is privacy guard yun, kaya sure round yung mauli ng PNP. Okay, so, sige, let's start. I want to start by showing you some code. Bubasa niyo ba? Hindi, sorry. Yan.
Hindi pa rin.
Hindi nga.
Oo, hindi pa rin.
Kulang pa.
Babasa ko, yun. Yan. Ayaw na eh.
Nadagang na yung sublime.
Ayaw na niya.
Ayun.
Sorry.
Yun.
Okay, so, we have two modules. Inner, kasi siya yung unang module. Outer, which sort of wraps inner. And then a class that includes outer. So let me just paste that into the console. Okay. So kung alam niyo na yung try not to embarrass me too much. Kaya ayan, paste natin sa console. And then balikan natin yung code. So this is based on actual code that I was working on a couple of weeks ago. So what do you think will be the output of first class.new.myhash? Yung mali para hindi ko papaya. Anyone? So ito yung first class. Meron ng method na myhash na super.merge na ayun, everything should be here. In-include niya si outer. Si outer may super.merge outer also works. In-include ni outer si inner dun sa included do. Si inner merong def myhash inner works. So, sige, kung naiya kayo. Ang ina-expect ko na lalabas dito, lalabas yung all three parts of the hash. Inner works, outer also works, class, everything should be here. And to my noob surprise, hindi nyo talaga nakikita eh. I-zoom din natin yan. Yan. Para my noobishness is on display for all to see. Yeah. Okay, so ang lumabas lang yung sa inner, tsaka yung sa class na everything should be here. So parang naisip ko, ano na Ruby modules include tapos ilang taon na ako nagro-Ruby? Bakit ganito lang? Does anyone know why? Oh, sige. Let's go to some eventually after siguro third day of investigating. Hindi naman. It took about maybe 10-15 minutes. Kasi tinanong ko na dun sa team eh. Tinanong ko dun sa isa. Yung dalawa, binulaw na para hindi marinig dun dalawa. Para kung mapapaya ako, dun sa isa lang, diba?
Tama.
Yan. So, tignan natin yung code na gumana. So it's the same code, si inner, but I defined a new module here, which includes inner. Exactly the same yung def ng myhash. And then yung second class, exactly the same, except ang in-include niya yung second na outer. So let's paste that code dun sa console. Tapos tignan natin yung output. Right, it works. Okay na. So, move on to the next task, no? Parang, okay, hindi ko alam. Wala akong pakialam. Ba't ganyan yan? Basta, okay na eh. Meron akong may quota ako ng points to deliver kasi may weekly kaming pustahan dun sa team. Eh, syempre, since ako rin yung nag-assign ng tasks, ako lagi na nanalo kasi. Ayan, so, as we can see here, all three parts are already included dun sa hash. Just by changing the implementation of the outer module. So from the first one, na naka-active support concern ako, na included do, include inner, ginawa ko lang, okay, let's just use a plain old Ruby module na include inner, tas def my hash. Now, if you are an irrational, emotional developer like I was, you will develop a hate for ActiveSupport and DHH and all the wrong that he stands for in the development community. Pero, syempre, hindi naman tayo ganun, di ba? Kailangan intindihin natin what's going on. Why does our code not work the way it's supposed to? Kasi, when our code doesn't work, 99.5 code mo yung may kasalanan. Hindi kasalanan ng framework, hindi kasalanan ng tools, malamang code mo talaga yun.
Kasalanan ng API.
Yes!
Oh.
Well, there's that. Yan, so, siguro alam nyo na yung sagot na yun, nyo lang ako pahiyain. Pero, sige, okay. Tignan natin. So, ano bang nangyari pag included do? Ang nangyari talaga dyan is, what that's like is, where's my cursor? Meron ka ditong def self dot include inner. So what ActiveSupport concerns does, it provides you with a nice syntactic sugar. Among other things, it's not just syntactic sugar, to be fair to the ActiveSupport team. Hindi ko lang maalala ngayon kung ano yung iba niyang uses, pero hindi lang yun yun. So, ayan, self.included, di ba? Include inner. Tignan natin yung, ito, no? Sa kaka-Google, natutunan ko, ay, may ancestors pala na method. Ano eh? Wonders of stack eh. Okay, first class, inner, tas outer. So, what that means is, kapag susundan niya, kasi di ba yung code puro super. Yeah, itatraverse niya yung chain. First class, saan yung my hash? Ayun, ay super tinawag. Ang sunod niyang pupuntahan, yung inner. That's why when you do first class dot new dot my hash, a hash. When you do first, ang isasama lang niya is yung class, yung sa class, tsaka yung sa inner. Hindi na niya masasama yung sa outer. Bakit? Kasi hindi na niya mapupuntahan yon. Dahil yung sa inner, wala namang call to super. At kahit may call to super siya, hindi naman niya super yung outer.
Pwede patingin ulit ng inner.
Yun. So, sa kakaano, no? Merong view source. Galing talaga ng Pry. Pag ito, hindi ko maalam, mapapahiya ako. Kasi hindi ko alam gamitin yung tools ko. Crap. Okay, sige, balik na tayo sa editor. Okay, lesson. Mahirap mag-live coding pag ano, pag hindi ka prepared. Ayan, so ito yung inner. So, yung pinaka-loob na module, simple lang yung definition niya, just return the hash. Yung outer tsaka yung first class and second class, sila yung may calls to super. And even if you put a super here, magkaka-error kasi sino yung super niya? Kung ano man yung super niya, walang my hash method doon. So, tignan natin naman yung ancestors ni second class. Ano yung view source niya? Balikan natin mamaya yung view source ha. Kaya ako eh. Second class dot ancestors. Okay, so if you view the ancestors ni second class, baliktad na yung ano. Baliktad yung lookup chain niya. Mauna yung outer, sunod yung inner. So pag binalikan mo yung code, super, saan yun? Dito. Super, saan yun? Dito. So, yung output niya, masasama na niya lahat. As dot, ano yun? New dot my hash. Okay, so everything's there. Oh, pero hindi pa tayo tapos dun, di ba? Kasi alam na natin na kaya ganun yung output nung dot my hash method is dahil dun sa lookup chain niya. Next question is, bakit ganun yung lookup chain niya? Bakit dito, nauna yung outer tas inner, dito naman sa una, inner tas outer? So, syempre ako, yun nga, irrational and emotional, sinisi ko yung yung active support concern. So if you, kung may phone kayong hawak niyo, i-google niyo yung active support concern, ay puta. What's that doing there?
Doing there.
Guys, work machine to, huwag nyo naman gamitin pang Reddit. Hindi lang nag-CR ako, magre-Reddit kayo sa machine ko. Ano to? Hearthstone yung subreddit. Active support concern, order ancestors. Actually, this would be a good time to share my accomplishment na top result ako sa Google. Kasi,
Pag incognito, ganun pa rin ba?
ay, hindi ko alam. Kasi, nirig ko to eh. Kasi syempre, ako yung naka-assignin, di ba? Ayun. Why does active support concern change ancestor lookup order? Syempre, sinisi ko yung active support concern, no? So, ayun, meron pa akong
Buti nakakapag-post ka ng questions.
Oo. Outside work hours yun.
Ah,
Yun.
wala akong
So,
tweets eh.
yan. So, sabi ko, why is the ancestors, actually, ancestor order yung pinost ko dito, inedit eh, nagmamarunong sa English eh, ancestors order, pinapaya ko na lang. Why is the order different for modules included via AS concern versus plain old Ruby? So yun, dinemo ko, no? Magkaiba yung order. So sabi ni Andre Deneco, 19.8k points.
Yes.
Sabi niya, hindi naman daw active support concern yung nagbabago nun. Sabi niya, dahil yun dun sa, ito yung ginagawa pag self-not-included base. Pero yun lang yung sinabi niya, hindi ko pa rin na-gets. Parang, kaya, in-upvote ko siya pero hindi ko nilagyan ng accepted answer kasi hindi ko pa rin na-gets eh, nag-research pa rin ako eh. So, may sumunod na sumagot, mas maayos na, na-gets ko na talaga kung bakit. Yun, di ba? Ang ganda nung paliwanag. Ang ganda nung paliwanag.
GG.
Ang ganda. Ay, tangina ako pala. Ako pala yun. Ay, nakalimutan ko, ako pala sumagot ng tanong ko. Pero,
Sir Joe.
nung nabasa ko, ang galing. Ay, teka ako to. Okay, so what's happening here? What's happening here? Medyo simple lang din. If you look at yung code nung second class, okay. Di ba Ruby, ano siya? So, magsa-throw na tayo ng mga technical words dito para kunwari marunong tayo. No? Kapag in-interpret yung code, babasahin niya yan isa-isa, no? So, pagdating dito, dun sa definition ng second outer, babasahin na niya yung code ng inner. And then, madedefine na yan na dun sa chain, outer, tapos inner. Mamaya, i-correct nyo lang ako kung mali yan. So, yung second class, pag in-include mo yung second outer, itong second outer, madadagdag dun sa lookup chain ni second class, pero naka-chain na dun yung sa inner. Kaya, second class, second outer, tapos inner. Yung sa naman, dito, okay, what's happening? First class, di ba? Include mo yung outer. Since yung include inner dito is inside of self.included or included do, yung inner dito, hindi naman kasama sa chain ni outer eh.
So,
Okay. So, what's happening is, okay. So, nandito ka sa first class, di ba? In-include mo si outer. Papasok dito sa self.included niya. Sa self.included niya, bago siya matapos, papasok siya dun sa include inner. So, kung ano man yung self.include ni inner, yun yung unang matatapos. Di ba? Kasi, di ba parang stuck eh. Diba? Parang, okay, kasi last week nag-Coursera ako nung stocks, kaya naisip ko. Yun, so, unang matatapos to, kaya una siyang madadagdag dun sa lookup chain ni first class. And then, pag nag-exit na yung self.included nito,
Siya na yun.
saka mag-exit dito sa self.included nitong module outer, saka naman madidikit dun sa lookup chain ni first class. Kaya first class, tapos inner, tas outer. Yun lang. Tapos, all that in 15 minutes. No, not really. Ayan, questions?
Kasi na-interpret siya ng una.
Yeah, na
Logist.
kapag binasa niya to, pag binasa niya yung module outer, hindi naman niya idadagdag yung yung inner doon sa chain ni outer because it's only inside the self.included. So yung self here dito sa loob is not the outer module, it's the including class. Actually mali ito may base dapat to Mali ito, mali. Huwag niyong gagawin to kasi ang actual na tama niyan ay ganito.
Base that include.
That include ba? Or, sige para sure ito, gagana talaga to. Yan, para sure. Kasi hindi ko alam kasi yung view source di gumana eh. Papayana naman ako. Yan. Ay. Yan. Okay. Yan.
Pa-check nung ancestors ni Outer.
Yari ako.
Ano?
Outer para lang makita
Hindi ko to chinek kanina.
na tama yun.
Tan. Siya lang.
Siya lang.
Kinabahan ako lang.
That new. That new ancestors. Pwede ba?
Module siya eh.
Okay.
Oo nga.
Ang hindi pwede mo.
Module siya. Actually, check ko yan bago yung talk kasi baka eh.
Daan na si Bray eh.
Oo, baka eh. Or, kunwari, hindi ko na-check. Biglang, ay, tangina, nag-shutdown yung laptop. Pre, kernel paano? Yun. So, yung ActiveSupport concerns, I'm pretty sure that most of you here have used it or have encountered similar situations. What I wanted to highlight was sometimes I miss things or we all miss things that we should already know. And then, yung ganong situations build more familiarity with the tools that we use. So yung temporary embarrassment is totally worth it kasi nga we become better as developers. I hope. Plus top result daw sa Google. Mamaya vote niyo yung question at yung answers.
Accepted niya.
Ayan. Questions? No? You're questioning why you even came here and listen to this drivel? Okay na? Okay, so if there's nothing else, thank you for listening.